All right, let's talk about AI-driven channel routing, Iron Man style. Imagine Iron Man flying into battle, but his suit keeps choosing the wrong weapon. Missiles when he needs lasers, lasers when he needs shields. No logic, no precision, total carnage. That is exactly how most companies do outreach today. They email people who never open email. They call people who never answer calls. They send LinkedIn messages to people who live in WhatsApp. Every touch point is a guess, not a strategy. But AI transforms the entire approach. Salesforce, HubSpot, Gong, and moksy.ai analyze every pattern. When buyers open messages, where they click, what they ignore, and then automatically route your outreach to the best channel for that person. Email, LinkedIn, phone, WhatsApp, SMS, whatever works, done automatically. So ask yourself, why are you still firing in the dark?